Well, summer means fun, vacations, and family time, but when parents are divorced, trying to plan vacations can be stressful and put a strain on what may normally be an amicable relationship. Jason Castle is a family law attorney and partner with J. Berg Wilk, and he's here with some great advice on how to help parents handle this summer vacation situation. And Jason, you really say that, communication is absolutely key in this.
Absolutely. Communication all the way through from beginning to end is vital to any co-parenting relationship. But my advice would be twofold. One is work on that communication. The other is plan ahead.
Okay. So what kind of situations may arise during times like this?
Well, lots of things. Breakdown
Okay.
in communications as far as when you're actually taking the vacation. You say you're leaving on Sunday and you're coming back on Saturday. Your plane leaves at 12, but your spouse or ex-spouse thinks that you're leaving at 5 p.m. And so the kids aren't ready, and so that creates stress.
Oh, yeah, okay.
And then other problems that arise are, one parent doesn't want to share the information of where they're going, the details of how to contact them. And so communication breakdowns there.
And for obvious reasons, that's important. Emergencies, things happen. And
Things happen.
So that goes back to the communication.
Absolutely.
Right? So you also say, pre-planning is extremely helpful in these situations. And so how far are we pre-planning these events?
Well, you can pre-plan all the way back to the time that you're actually doing your decree.
Okay.
Or your parenting plan, and be as detailed as possible. So you could go as far as saying the exchange will occur at Sunday at 5 p.m. Or as it relates specifically to summer vacations, you can say, you're going to have these specific weeks in the month of June, I'll take these specific weeks in the month of July, and it eliminates that when are you taking your vacation issue.
Yeah.
But if you still want the flexibility to be able to take vacations when things come up or plan, then as much notice as possible.
And just hearing you say that, I mean, it sounds almost ridiculous, to be like that specific, but it really does make a huge difference in keeping things amicable.
Absolutely.
All right, what about things change? The kids get older, their needs change, their wishes change. Then what?
Well, if you have maintained or can communicate, then the couples can work on that and resolve things as they come up. Hopefully that's the thing. However, that doesn't work for everyone, and real life gets in the way, and sometimes there are disputes. And so at that point, you either, if you can't work it out together, talk to a mediator, have somebody else come in and kind of help you keep the emotions low and actually process what the goals are.
Okay. I wonder, you are a family law attorney, been practicing for how long? 13 years?
13 years.
When these situations arise and you can't work it out amongst yourselves, can someone pick up the phone and call you and
Absolutely.
say, hey, my ex and I this is our situation. Can you help in that arena?
Absolutely. They call, and a lot of times they just need to bounce ideas off and understand what they can and can't do, and just want to know what they should do, how to move forward. And if, worst case scenario, they do need my legal assistance, then
well, worst
I'm available.
Case scenario.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you're a big help. I mean,
Yes.
you can really, ease the tensions, and because really, it's all about the kids. You say that too.
Absolutely. It's the best interest of the children. And if the parents can get along, the kids will be better off in the long run.
Yeah, and everybody wants to see that.
Absolutely.
Yeah, nobody wants to go back to court.
No, it's expensive, it's emotionally draining, and it really takes a lot of time out of your life.
And you can help avoid that, can't you?
That is the goal every time.
Okay, excellent. Jason?
Thank you.
Thank you. Always good information. J. Berg Wilk, they're located at 3200 North Central Avenue, Suite 2000 in Phoenix. You need some help, you need some advice. Here's their phone number, 602-248-1000. And Jason wrote a great article on this topic. You can find it at our website. You can also visit theirs, jbergwilk.com.